Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the security. Now let's scroll down to find the device administration section and enter credential storage. And at the very bottom we've got the remove all user certificates, so simply tap on it and tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.